Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an awesome new rendering of the Bugatti Divo, created by Car Craze USA. This digital artwork takes the already insane Divo, which is a track-focused version of the Chiron, and gives it a wide-body makeover. The result? A truly jaw-dropping hypercar that's even more extreme than before. The Divo, with its 1,500 horsepower, was designed to be a beast on the track, surpassing even the Chiron Sport in performance. In this render, we see not just a wider stance, but also some cool tweaks to the headlights, making it look like a real forbidden fruit of the automotive world. We've shown you some wild renders before, including one of a crashed Divo, which we hope will remain a purely digital concept. Now, on to some real-world news. Bugatti is rumored to be considering a shift to a two-model lineup. While there's been no word on the 16C Galibier sedan, concept from 2009 making a comeback, there have been sightings of a potential Bugatti sedan with a rear engine. Bugatti has also hinted at exploring the SUV market. So stay tuned for more updates and keep an eye out for any new developments from this legendary automaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive updates.